sleepy. We are getting late though. This is gel. I think it's not bad. Yeah, so that's what I'm buying. So my husband is outside.
Wanna be free of this heart.
But is it not too bright? She my blend pẹ̀lú
my blend. Pẹ̀lú my blend. Lè fẹ́ kó sáà. Yo, it's okay. It's now we'll lead you. Ma fẹ́lẹ́ nísàlẹ̀ orí ẹ̀ ló kọ́ lè. Wọ́n ṣe ń dún gbọ́dọ̀ máa pọ̀ jù nínú.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm on my way to go and get my nails done, guys. Well, the sun is too much. This is currently like 8:30. The appointment was supposed to be like for 8 a.m. and I'm 30 minutes late already, but yeah, I'll just message her that I'm on my way already. Guys, this news, she said it's not going to like, she said I'm going to spend like 20 minutes with her because it's like press on I'm doing, so I don't have time to spend. Yeah, guys, I made my hair and I think it's not bad. The sun is eating me so well, and yeah, this is how I'm looking. So I'm waiting for my husband to finish up because he's also going for petrol hunt. Yeah, so I'm waiting for him to like finish up and so we can go together. So it's just going to drop me 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I'm done. Yeah, guys, this is how my face is looking this morning. Yeah, guys, my pimple, like, I think it's like, yeah, once sometimes it will be very clear and sometimes it will be the other way around, but I don't like, guys, this period that I am right now, I don't give a fuck about anything. Yeah, I'm waiting for my husband to get ready so we can live together. He's going to go get petrol and some water, so I will use that opportunity to just ride with him. Yeah, guys, how you doing, guys? Yeah, so it's basically maintenance vlog that I'm vlogging. Yeah, so the nails I'm doing is actually press on, but I sent the style to her to make the nails already because I don't have time to wait. Moreover, there's nobody to stay with Jerick, so it's just alone at home. Like, I have someone and the person is leaving by 9 a.m. so I have to get back by 9. This is almost 8. Baby, we are getting late though. It's almost 8:30 now, so that means I have to like hurry up so that she can meet up with her own time and also Jerry won't be alone at home. So I have like 30 minutes to do this nail, so that's why I can't do like my normal nail. So I'll just do like press on. So I sent the design to her yesterday. She actually said press on is actually not bad, so I sent it to her, some design, just for her to pick anyone and do it. So I hope I'm going to be wild with her designs, guys. I'll plug you with this girl. She's very, very good. If you're in Ibadan, guys, yes, she's very, very good. Like, I ever since I've started using her as my nail tech, guys, what I can say is that, yeah, I'm really enjoying her services. The only problem I used to have with her is that she's not always available. Yeah, I was in the car, like, my husband is ready. Bye. Like, guys, This is like, it is more than 30 minutes. Like, let's say 30 minutes, yeah, to do this. Yeah, so this is gel. Yeah. And it's so cute. I don't know if you can see. Let me just show you. Yeah, it's so cute, guys. Yeah. I love it. You want to say hi from the back? I'm waiting for my husband to buy the water so I can go home and go and take care of my baby. Yeah. Quick stop. Yeah, so quick stop here to buy my baby's diaper and what else, and wipes. Yeah, so that's what I'm buying here. So my husband is outside. Yeah, he went there to buy that. I'm not stepping out of this car because the sun is too much, and you know, as a baby girl, we don't do that. Yeah, I call it.